Gather around, gather around. Today, we're gonna be discussing. We're gonna be talking about copying other YouTubers on YouTube, specifically the finance niche. Let's get into it. Now, why do you watch finance videos? To make money, to learn how to make money, to get ideas on how to make money. But I am suggesting to you that you could be wasting your time. Why, you may ask? Because the video you're watching might just be created to milk your retention, and that is it, instead of having been created to help you. As you can see in this video, I told you guys to get off of YouTube, and here's why. Your boy made himself a whole playlist last night of all the videos. So here's some of the first video that we're gonna be talking about. So for starters, let's search up untapped side hustles. Let's see the results. 6 untapped side hustles, 9 untapped side hustles, 6 untapped side hustles, 7 untapped side hustles, $1,367 a day. God damn, we're gonna be rich, boys. Woo! We're gonna get an extra $367 a day instead of $1,000 a day. God damn. Let me watch these videos real quick and I'm gonna summarize them. And I bet you there's gonna be the same ideas for untapped side hustles. I just watched like 3 untapped videos. A lot of them are not untapped side hustles. Some of them are like Shopify, dropshipping. They are not untapped. There are like 1,000 videos of them on YouTube. There may be like not a lot of people doing them, but like they certainly have been brought up 1,000 times before, and they're not untapped. People have talked about them a lot. Exhibit number 2, side hustles ideas. Now, again, a lot of these are the same exact ideas. Not to be annoying, but at least in my video, it was different, to say the least. By the way, you should watch it, you know. Let's watch some of these. To summarize the videos I just watched: dropshipping, thumbnail editing, video editing, YouTubing, Shopify, flipping items, selling stuff on Amazon, flipping stuff, selling your kidney, selling your soul to Satan. It goes on, and it's usually the same thing. It's like I said, instead of watching videos, search it up on Google. It would save you so much time. I get that watching videos like more productive and more entertaining, but save your time and use that time to work. Now it's time for my favorite section. 2023 recession. 2023 recession and how to get rich from it. Look at these thumbnails and titles. How to use the 2023 recession to get rich. This guy copied the title from Stephan Graham. It's literally the same title. And then this girl, 23 recession, how to get rich. 2023 recession, how to get rich. It's so goofy. It is so goofy. How to use the 2023 recession to build wealth. Accountant explains how to get rich from the 2023 recession. And then there's this dude, Mark Tilbury, how to use the 2023 recession to get rich. I get that Stephan Graham got like 1 million views, but like still, just change it a little bit, please. This is not really copying, but like, well, technically he is copying himself, kind of. A couple months after Stephan Graham posted his first video of how to use the 2023 recession to get rich, and it did well, he posted another video. The 2023 recession just started. Do this now. Do you think it's the same video? What do you think? And then there's this VI Bowl guy. How to use the 2023 recession to get rich. Oh, this guy is an innovator. Use the 2023 recession to get very rich. Here's how. God damn, these people are creative. I get that these are just titles and like they don't represent the content, but I'm betting they do represent the content. And I'm not even gonna bother watching all of them. It's a waste of my time. It's literally the same stuff, copy and pasted 24/7. And lastly, this is my favorite out of all of them. I'm gonna show you 7 business ideas that never fails. Do you see this title? 7 businesses with amazingly low failure rates, backed by data. Passive laundromats, real estate, passive incomes, self-storage, transportation businesses, vending machine, agriculture, dump truck. And here's the good part. So for the OG video, they put 7 business that never fail, and also 95% success rate in their thumbnail. What did Codie Sanchez do? She put 6 business that never fail, 95% success rate in her thumbnail. It's the same thing, copy and pasted. And then let's check out her title. Business that never fail. 6 businesses with amazingly low failure rates. Backed by data. it's so dumb. Number 1. Laundromat. Number 2. Real estate. Number 3. Storage. If you're gonna copy someone, at least don't make it so goddamn obvious. And then there's this guy. 7 business that never fail. Backed by data. Oh, he's actually changed the game actually. Instead of 95%, it's actually 100% success rate now. He's a genius. He's found the hidden ways to create guaranteed success. God damn. Let's see his ideas. Transportation. God damn, is he a genius. Agriculture. Holy sh. Vending machine. Holy shit, I'm gonna get rich.
Success rate. Now this is a business where you potentially will never have to worry about dealing with grumpy employees or someone stealing your
This man is a pioneer. He's a genius. He's found the hidden ways. It's no longer 95% success rate. It's no longer a risk. It's guaranteed. Anyways, yeah, those are just some examples of shamelessly copying and pasting in the finance niche on YouTube. Literally just the finance niche on YouTube. Imagine all the other niches. How many of the same titles and thumbnails there are. Imagine that. It's ridiculous. And that literally just proved my point on why you should just search it up. Literally search up what you want to know. Maybe watch videos on YouTube if it helps you with like specific problems. Like, I don't know how to trim your balls. But like, yeah, most of the time, you're gonna be wasting your time. That rhymes. Oh. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. I love shitting on people. And hopefully I get to do it again. Bye.